Bitcoin, Safemoon, Dogecoin, the list literally goes on and on. However, I can finally say that I have found a token or a crypto that I really like and I'm thinking about putting some serious money into. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to Broke Man Finance. I'm super pumped about today's video because I'm talking about a relatively new token called HODL. In this video, I'm going to cover some key points about HODL that really puts them in a better position, I think, moving forward compared to some other cryptocurrencies, and may provide a more stable investing platform, if you want to call it investing, when we're talking about these cryptos. Now, before we get started, I've got to talk about something. My man Adam, who I shared the channel with, decided to do something big and bold this weekend and shave his entire head. Let me know in the comments section if you're digging his new look with his shaved head. I personally think he looks like Mr. Clean, who lost his job and now is homeless. So what exactly is this new token called HODL? Well, for start, it's a new DeFi token that places a lot of emphasis on yield farming, which in simple terms is another way to make passive money off your initial investment. In short, the more you own and the longer you hold this token, the more you're able to earn rewards and really grow that crypto portfolio. But don't take it from me, I am not the only person that's excited about this new cryptocurrency. According to coinmarketcap.com, HODL is the top search crypto the past 24 hours, putting them ahead of fan favorites like Safemoon and even Dogecoin. Earlier this week, it should be noted they were in the number 3 spot, so they've definitely caught a lot of attention of crypto investors such as myself. Even back on May 25th, CryptoCrunch reported them as number 3 on the top 10 trending list. So there definitely is a lot of momentum. There definitely is a lot of attention concerning this new cryptocurrency. Could it be because it's brand new? That's quite possible. Or, which I think it could be, that it has some key features which we'll talk about that really makes this one really separate from the other cryptocurrency. It provides more of an incentive to those crypto investors. So let's focus on the main things that really attracted me to this crypto compared to the other ones and why I like it, which is their key features. And the first one is you earn BNB, which is your Binance coin, by just simply holding HODL. 4% of every transaction is taken and redistributed to all HOD holders in the BNB network or community, if you will. So in short, you earn more Binance coins just by holding this HODL token. Then if you move over to the right, 4% of every transaction contributes towards automatically generating further on the PancakeSwap, which means benefiting long-term for HODL holders the most. Then the RFI status rewards. So 2% of every transaction is taken and reallocated, if you will, to all HODL holders. So the more you hold, and every time these transactions are going through, you're getting a piece of the pie as people sell and buy these tokens. And then on the bottom left, it has an inbuilt anti-whale mechanism. Basically, transactions, either you're selling or you're buying, that trade more than 1% of the total supply will be rejected. Whales who make transfers between 2 wallets that is larger than 1% of the total supply will be charged 1 Binance coin, which right now is close to under $400. So there is kind of a punishment if you continue to sell these or buy these in a larger quantities, more than 1% of the total supply. And then on the far bottom right, it's built for the community. HODL is a community-driven token built on the Binance chain. So for fun, let's do a quick hypothetical. If you were to put $5, just $5, into this crypto right now at its current price, you would roughly have around 29 million tokens. If the price of this token increased to just a half of a cent, a half of a penny, that $5 investment could and possibly will turn into $145,000.
What are your superpowers again?
I'm rich.
Of course, this is purely a hypothetical and pure speculation. But with the key features, and if this thing gets a lot more momentum, I can easily see this thing increasing a little bit. I'm not saying you should put your money into this cryptocurrency because all cryptos are extremely risky. But for me, and this is just me, just a regular dude on YouTube, I'm willing to throw a couple bucks into this cryptocurrency and kind of see how it plays out in the next couple weeks. I look at it this way. I've lost $5 on a lot worse things. I've blown $5 on stupid things that I will never get back. So what's $5 into this with the long 1 in a million shot of making $145,000 off that $5 investment? Now, when we're talking about cryptocurrencies, a key thing to look at is momentum. And HODL has some good momentum to start off with. When we look at Twitter, HODL currently has over 30,000 followers on Twitter, which has doubled just in the past week. As more people jump on, look for this price to keep trading higher as it gains more momentum. To me, it's very similar to Dogecoin, which is pretty much flat, nothing going on, until one famous person decided to make a tweet. And well, you know how that goes. So with more people buying in and the momentum keep going in the right direction, what is a possible price prediction for this crypto? According to TradingBeast.com, HODL is projected to increase over 300% the rest of the year, based on algorithms that really analyze new currency, such as these. Based on that initial $5 investment, this would equal to roughly a $2,000 return by the year's end. Of course, again, this is only a projection and kind of a hypothetical. All of these cryptos are extremely volatile. But again, the reason why I like HODL and what has attracted me to them is those key features. Meaning, the longer you hold and the more you hold, the better off you are in the long run, which provides some stability. If you're going to parallel this to anything, kind of think of it as a dividend stock. Dividend stocks really don't shoot up. They don't get crazy growth like Amazon or Tesla, but people know they're not as volatile and they can keep making money, that passive income, such as like an AT&T, Coca-Cola. So although you cannot compare this because it's not comparing apples to apples, it kind of gives you a little bit of an illustration that could turn into more of a passive income cryptocurrency if you parallel it towards the dividends. Again, that's the best example I could come up with off the top of my head. So guys, please be careful with any cryptocurrency, not just HODL. These are extremely risky. I'm just a regular dude on YouTube that enjoys cryptocurrencies. I like investing in it. I like looking at hypotheticals. I'm willing to put a couple bucks in each one to kind of see how it goes. But please consult with a financial advisor if you're thinking about putting a lot of money or any money into these markets before you lose some of that money. And I would love to see in the comment section what you think about HODL. Are you into this crypto, or do you prefer other cryptos such as Safemoon or even Dogecoin? That's it for me today, guys. I hope you stay safe. I hope your stocks stay green. I hope your cryptos turn even greener, and we'll see you on the next video. Later.